Hi everyone, so how are you? I hope you are all good and fine. Today we'll be learning more questions regarding Salesforce 201 admin certification. So let's continue with the questions. In a private sharing model, the following can be used when role hierarchy alone isn't sufficient. When providing record access to users, choose all that applies. So what can be the answer? So I would suggest you to just pause the video for a couple of seconds, choose your answer, and then play the video to check that the answers which you have selected is correct or not. So the correct answer will be sharing rules, manual sharing, and teams, account, sales, case, etc. So as the question says that in a private sharing model, what all ways we can use when role hierarchy alone isn't sufficient for provide record access to users. So we can see the following options like forecasting, sharing rules, manual sharing, teams, peaks trigger. So the, what will be the easiest way to choose, like convenient ways? So that will be sharing rules, manual sharing, and teams. Now, criteria-based sharing rules allow administrators to share records based on field values rather than record ownership. So the options are true and false. So what will be the correct answer? I hope you have chosen. So the answer will be true, right? So now, next question. Users at CloudKick are reporting different options when updating a custom pick list to on the opportunity. Where should an admin update the option in the pick list? So then the options are picklist value, related lookup filter, record type. So what will be the answer? It will be record type. CloudKicks is a partnering with a used shoe store and a second-hand bicycle. It has an automated business process. It wants to run once a week to count the number of open cases related to an account. What should an admin recommend? So configure a schedule flow in full flow builder, create a workflow rule with outbound message, or set up schedule process in process builder. So what can be the correct answer from these three options, the given options? So the answer will be A. Configure schedule flow in flow builder. That will be the most convenient one, right? Next one. Admin at KitKat has created a screen flow to help service reps ask the same set of questions when customers call in with issues. The screen should be visible from cases. How should the screen flow be distributed? So home page, page layout, component page, and lightning page. So please pause the video, choose your answer, and then play the video. So the answer will be lightning page, right? Now, sales user at KitKat are reporting that it taking users a long time to edit opportunity records. Normally, the only field that they are editing is stage field. So which option should an admin recommend? Use a Kanban list view for opportunity, add path for stage to opportunity record page, configure an automobile flow for opportunity editing, create a simplified opportunity page layout. So what can be the correct one from these given options? So answer will be use Kanban list view for opportunity and create a simplified opportunity page layout. Now, KitKat has a custom object called shipment. The company wants to see all the shipment items from an account page. When an account is deleted, the shipment should remain. So options are given as follows, like account should have master detail to shipment, shipment should have master detail to account should have shipment should have lookup to account, and account should have lookup to shipment. So what can be the correct one? So C, shipment should have lookup to account, because as you can see in the question that when an account is deleted, the shipment should remain. So shipment should have lookup to account. Now, sales at customer care at Ursa Major Solar needs to see different fields on the case related list from the account record. Case users want to see case created date and status, while customer care would like to see owner, status, and contact. So, what should an admin use to achieve this? What can be the correct answer as per you? So, it should be page layout editor. Let's check. Yes, it's correct. Page layout editor. Now, KitKat has SLA, means service level agreement, that uh, the cases are routed to support queue. Cases that meet the 24 hours SLA need to be automatically reassigned to next tag queue. What features should be used to fulfill this? So what can be the answer? So case assignment rule, case escalation rule, auto response rule, and Einstein case routing. So what is the correct one? Correct one will be case escalation rule. Now, an admin at Northern Trail is unable to add a new user. What could be the issue? Username is restricted to a domain. Username is already in use in another organization. Email address used for the username has a contact record. Email ID, email address, sorry, used is not a corporate email. So what can be the possible answer for this? So possible answer should be username is already in use in another organization. Let's check. Yeah, it's correct. Now, which of the following are true about formula fields? Like they are read only, they will not display on recorded pages, they will not display on record detail pages, they are not searchable, they will not display on reports. So what can be the correct answer? The correct answer will be these three. Like they are read only, correct. They will not display on recorded pages. This is also correct. And they are not searchable, right? So as we can see that it's a formula field. So obviously you cannot change this because because if the answer will be editable, then like what is there is no purpose of using the formula field, right? And then they are not searchable, of course, and they'll not display on recorded pages. Now, page layouts are assigned to dash users, profiles, roles, and subordinates. So I hope that everybody knows this. Like the answer will be profiles. Now, the system admin has been asked to create a way to track shipment products to customers. Shipment should be closely tied to the opportunity record, and there may be more than one shipment record per opportunity, and the opportunity should be required. Users cannot save a shipment without associating it to an opportunity. The system administrator should create a cross-object formula displaying opportunity ID or shipment record, a master detail relationship on the shipment object to the opportunity object, a lookup relationship on the opportunity object to the shipment object. So what can be the answer? So the answer is, I think, C. Oh, sorry, B. A master detail relationship on the shipment object to the opportunity object, right? Like, yes, it's correct because we want it to be closely tied. Okay, so it will be a master detail relationship. Now, in order to update records using the data loader, what field must be present in the CSV file? So the options are owner, Salesforce ID, record owner, object name. So what is the correct one? So correct answer is Salesforce ID. Like this ID should be present, right? Otherwise you will not be able to import. Now, you will need a security token to access Salesforce via choose all that implies like import wizard, data loader, Salesforce for Outlook, all of the above. So the answer is data loader and Salesforce for Outlook. And these questions you will have to learn, like you will have to keep in mind because these kind of questions will only be asked, and sometimes these small we avoid these small questions, and like we don't keep this in mind, and then the question appears and then we find difficulty to answer those questions. So which of the following can be used to create a backup for of data from Salesforce? So a weekly data export, data loader, import wizard, reports, dashboards. So you can choose all that apply. So the answer is weekly data export. Yes. Data loader, correct. And reports. Now, the following are true about scheduling and emailing reports. Like, what is true from these four options for emailing and scheduling the reports? So please read the given options and try to select the correct answer. So the answer will be all of the above, right? Now, a dashboard is a visual representation of data for multiple reports. Choose all that apply. So you have to choose from these all only. I hope you have chosen the correct answer. So let's forward it. So yes, it's comprised of up to 20 components. Like I have discussed it in my videos also, that it is comprised of maximum 20 components. Has a running user to determine what data is visible. Yes, displays data as of last time the dashboard was refreshed and can be scheduled to be refreshed and emailed automatically. Now, the system admin was testing workflow rules and needs to delete pending time workflow actions. How can she do this? So what can you do? So you can do what you can do is that you can delete the actions in the time-based workflow queue, right? See, this is the correct one. You can delete it to perform the given work. Now, the system admin was testing workflow rules and needs to delete pending time. Okay, this is a repeated question. I'm sorry for that. Now, okay, so for today, these are were the questions. So I would like you to learn and give the certification and clear it in the first attempt only. So for those who are beginners, you can also watch the uh, videos about regarding the various concept, and I'll be uploading more videos about a different more concept which are left. And so yes, have a good day and keep learning. Thank you. Bye bye.